Okay, good morning class 9th. Today we'll do some more questions on midpoint theorem. Okay, and these questions I would say are very important for the exams and the tests that are yet to come. And there's only one exercise on midpoint theorem, but it is important because this theorem is being used in other chapters also. So if this theorem is being used in other chapters, it's very important to understand this. So we'll also look some of the questions from the exercise so that I can help you guys how to solve the questions. So we'll be looking at question number 10, third part. Question number 10, third part says in the coordinates AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So this line is parallel to DC. I know that. They have given it actually, then I know it. E and F are the midpoints. They also have given E and F are the midpoints of non-parallel sides. So these are non-parallel sides. AD is non-parallel to BC. It's not parallel. But on that non-parallel side, they have given that E is the midpoint. If E is the midpoint, then this side is equal to this side, or this much is equal to this much. अगर ये 5 है तो ये भी 5 है. अगर ये 10 है तो ये भी 10 है. तो ऐसे करके given है. ठीक है? Now AD and BC respectively calculate EF. हम EF ढूंढना है. EF. When AB is given to me 6 centimeter and DC is given to me 4 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see what we can do in this question. Okay. So I'll write a statement. Just try to understand this. Okay. I'm writing the solution. Okay. Line segment joining the midpoints of non-parallel sides. Till here, what did I say? Line segment, this line segment. Joining the midpoints, जो midpoints को join करता है, जो non-parallel sides को, is equals to the sum of parallel side. Equal to half the sum. ओके सो मैंने क्या देखा कि जो जब भी ऐसा आपको आता है कि आपको मिड पॉइंट्स देते हैं नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स के एंड अ लाइन इज जॉइनिंग सो आई कैन से द लेंथ ऑफ दैट ओके सो आई एम राइटिंग इट डाउन इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ द इक्वेशन EF equals to half of sum of the parallel side मतलब AB plus DC. This is what I will write, and this is what this statement says. In a trapezium, so you can also add two words in the front. In a trapezium, the line segment joining the midpoints of the non-parallel sides is equal to the half the sum of parallel sides. Understand this, and ये मैंने words में लिखा है और इस एक चीज मैंने equation में लिखी है. Okay, try understanding this. Now, and this is because of midpoint theorem only. This is only because of midpoint theorem. If you have solved the first and the second part, you will understand why I have written like this. Okay, if you have solved the first and second part. Now, if this is the equation, I need to find EF when AB is given to me and DC is given to me. So what I'll do, I'll just keep the values and find EF. So EF equals to half. And AB 6 plus 4 and then EF is equals to half into 10. So EF is equals to 5 centimeter. What is EF? EF is 5 centimeter. So that's, I got the value of EF now. Okay, now I'll also find the second part. So for the second part also, what I'll be doing is, I'll be writing the same equation. But the values are given different now. Okay, it's not, this both parts are not attached together. ठीक है? So second part says AB ढूंढना है मुझे. Calculate AB. If DC is 8, DC is 8 and what is EF? EF is 9. 9 दे दिया तो EF के नीचे 9 equals to half AB ढूंढना है मुझे प्लस DC कितना है 8 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll shift a half over here also. तो मैं इस तरह पे शिफ्ट कर तो 18 हो जाएगा. 18 is equals to AB plus 8. So I have to find AB. So AB 8 is going to go on this side and become 10 centimeter. So what is AB? AB is 10 centimeter. So I got the value of AB as well. Okay, that's how you find the value of AB. Okay, let's have a look in question number 11 now. 11B part. 11B part goes something like this. ABCD is a kite in which BC equals to CD. ABCD is a kite, you guys can see the shape, it's a kite, and BC equals to CD. AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD. It means this side is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side, right? E, F, G, H are the midpoints of CD, BC and AB. These are the midpoints given. They haven't said prove that. It's already given that they are the midpoints. Prove that EFG is equal to 90 degree. Our first agenda is reaching till here, that proving that EFG angle EFG is 90 degree. You have to prove that this is 90. Now you guys have to think a little bit. How can I prove that this is 90? Okay, we have been learning about kite from very small class. In the previous classes also we might have gone across through this topic of kite. But let's talk about kite first. Kite होती क्या है? या काइट के कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. काइट के एक प्रॉपर्टीज जो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा ये क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले, वो है कि डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट, डायगोनल्स मेक्स परपेंडिकुलर with each other. What I am trying to say, that diagonal, if I draw a diagonal from here and diagonal from here, okay, this is the diagonal, I'm sorry, and I can name this M. Okay, in the center name I can give M. So they make 90 degree. ये क्या बनाते हैं 90 degree. So now I know. Now I can name this one also. Okay, I'm naming this like O and this can be E. Okay, so I know that this line and this line are making 90 degree with each other. Okay, this is what I have right now. So let's start the solution of this question. Okay, in triangle CDB, if you guys see CDB, E and F are the midpoints, and E and F are the midpoints. If they both are the midpoints, what I can say is, if E and F are the midpoints, I can say that EF is parallel to DB. Can I write it like this? EF is parallel to DB. कैसे midpoint पे? Midpoint difference. EF is parallel to DB. How did I write? Because this is parallel to this. And if this is parallel to this, I can also write that OF is parallel to MP. OF is parallel to MP. Can you guys see? Okay. So if this is parallel to this, what will I say? If this is parallel to this, okay, and when this is also parallel to this, so this is equation 1, this can be equation 1. Now I can have a look in equation for equation 2, okay. I'll see in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, ऐसे तिरछे में है ABC, so I can say FG is parallel to CA or AC. So I can also say a part of FG, that is FP, will also be parallel to OM. This is equation 2. If you see equation 1 and 2, what do you observe? OF is parallel to MP. Okay. And FP is parallel to OM. From first and second, I can say, from first and second equation, what I can say, that OFPM is a parallelogram. OFPM. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Can I say that? It's a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram, OFPM is a parallelogram, I can say that the opposite angles 90 बनाते हैं, opposite angles 180 बनाते हैं. So what are the opposite angles over here? Just have a look over here. So angle OMP plus the opposite angle is OFP. OMP plus OFP equals to 180 degree. Why? Opposite angles in a parallelogram makes how much? 180 degree. Okay, so these are the opposite angle, and if I add them, then I'll write equals to 180 because opposite angles in a parallelogram makes 180 degree. I already know this. How much is this? OMP. Why? Because I wrote down a statement in the starting when I started doing this question. What was the statement? Diagonals being perpendicular with each other, or diagonals are perpendicular to each other in a kite. Okay, जो kite के diagonals होते हैं, they are perpendicular with each other. So I can say this is 90 degree plus angle OFP is equals to 180 degree. तो 90 इधर शिफ्ट होगा तो आपका OFP कितना आ जाएगा? 90 degree. And that's what you have to find. You have to find that this angle is equal to 90. Hence found out. You can shift that on that side. OFP 90 आ जाएगा, means this angle would be 90. Okay, so that's the first thing that you guys got. And first answer, it's in your hand now. Okay, even if you guys don't understand this, what you guys can do is, pause the video, go through it, try doing it on your own and figuring it out. You'll understand. Okay, let's have a look in the second part. What does the second part say? So second part says, what I have to find is the line drawn through G. A line drawn through G. This is a line drawn through G and parallel to EF bisect DA. मुझे प्रूफ करना है कि ये जो लाइन है ये पैरेलल है EF, मतलब ये पैरेलल है EF. A line drawn through G and parallel to FE bisect DA. मुझे प्रूफ करना है जी इसके पैरेलल है, इसके पैरेलल है, पर ये इसको बाइसेक्ट कर रही है, मतलब DA this is equal to this side. Okay, so what I can do is this. Please have a look at it. So you know the first equation. If you guys don't know the first equation, you should know that the first equation में मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता था that EF is equals to half of EF is equals to half of DB. Okay, I could have written it like that. Okay, अगर आप पीछे जाओगे और फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फिगर आउट करेंगे, pause the video and go back in the. I hope every one of you would have paused the video and gone back in the video and found out the first equation that I wrote down was EF is parallel to DB. This is the first equation I wrote down. EF is parallel to DB, जो मैंने पहले पार्ट में इक्वेशन लिखी, ठीक है. I also got this from here, second. Okay, so I can name it equation 3 or something like that. Okay, now I also know that EF is parallel to GH. यहाँ पे H लिख देता हूँ, इसका नाम मैं H लिख देता हूँ, ठीक है, GH. Why यहाँ पे लिखा है the line drawn through G and parallel to FE. So I have written FE parallel है GH. This is what they have given. Okay, this is which equation? Fourth equation. So what do you observe from third and fourth equation? what I observe is that left hand sides are same. See left hand, so right hand side भी same होंगे. तो मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, अगर EF is parallel to DB and EF is also parallel to GH, so I can say from third and fourth I can say DB is parallel to GH. Can I write like this? DB is parallel to GH. ठीक है. अब ध्यान से देखना, जब ये इसके पैरेलल है 1 पॉइंट, दूसरा पॉइंट है जब मुझे ऑलरेडी 1 मिड पॉइंट देखा है, ठीक है. जब हमने कन्वर्स मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम पढ़ा था, हमें दो चीज चाहिए होती है. दो चीज क्या चाहिए होती है, हमें एक मिड पॉइंट चाहिए होता है और एक पैरेलल लाइन चाहिए होती है. ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइन. सो आई गॉट दैट दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग, आई गॉट G इज द मिड पॉइंट. G is the midpoint of BA. वो मुझे क्वेश्चन में ही गिवन है that G is the midpoint. So इन दोनों को देख के मैं लिख सकता हूँ by converse midpoint theorem. I am writing over here by converse midpoint theorem. By converse midpoint theorem, what can I write? That by midpoint converse midpoint theorem, I can write that H is the midpoint of AD. By converse midpoint theorem, I can write H is the midpoint of AD, or I can also write that DH is equals to HD. And this is what I had to prove. If you read this line carefully, this is what I had to prove. The line drawn through G and parallel to EF bisect DA. DA को bisect कर रहा है, तो हाँ H किसको bisect कर रहा है, AD को या DA को. Okay, I hope you understood this question. These two questions were very important, that's why I did it for you guys. Hope you understood. Have a good day. Take care.